Here's how you export products in GrooveKart in CSV, Excel, or HTML. Go to the Apps tab on the left sidebar, click on App Manager, scroll all the way down, check that it's not in disabled apps. If product export is in disabled apps, you toggle the switch on to where it's pink, and then I prefer to favorite it, and then click on the gear. Go to products, check off all the categories you want to export and all the columns you want to export. I prefer to export everything. Choose the format you want to do it in, CSV, Excel, HTML, and finally click on export and let her rip. Save that spreadsheet or file wherever you want. You're wondering if GrooveKart may have an import tool. It does, but it doesn't quite work properly. For example, it only adds new products, not updates them. And right now, even when no matter whichever way I put it, it doesn't support tags. When this is updated so that it starts working, I will immediately post a video tutorial to show you how to use it. Otherwise, that's our tutorial on how to export products in GrooveKart. In case you don't have GrooveKart and GrooveFunnels, I'm offering some bonuses that you get when you sign up through my link in the description, such as Pro Tools support for custom coding and advanced functions on GrooveKart and GrooveFunnels, as well as digital press and SEO support. Check it out in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. I have been an early backer of GrooveKart and GrooveFunnels since December of 2018, so there are a lot of things that I can answer questions about. All right, this is the Marketer's Secret Toolbox. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you on the other side.